You have just installed Windows 1125 H2. But before you start using your computer, there are a few important things you should do first. In today's video, I'll show you the essential steps to take immediately after installing Windows 1125 H2 to improve performance, increase security, install the latest drivers, and make your PC ready for work, gaming, or everyday use. These simple optimizations can help your computer run faster, stay more stable, and avoid common issues that many users experience after a fresh Windows installation. So let's get started. The very first thing you should do is update Windows. Before updating Windows, make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet connection. A stable connection is important because Windows will download system updates, security patches, device drivers, and built-in apps. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, the download may fail or become corrupted, which can cause update errors or incomplete installations. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Windows 1125 H2 will automatically download and install the latest security updates, bug fixes, performance improvements, and feature updates released by Microsoft. But that's not all. Windows Update also installs most of the drivers your computer needs automatically. Depending on your hardware, Windows can download and install graphics drivers for Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, audio drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, Ethernet drivers, Bluetooth drivers, touchpad drivers, chipset drivers, USB drivers, printer drivers, webcam drivers, and many other device drivers. It also installs or updates built-in Microsoft apps, including Microsoft Store, Photos, Paint, Calculator, Notepad, Media Player, Snipping Tool, Windows Security, and other essential Windows components. Because of this, you usually don't need to download drivers manually unless you're looking for the latest gaming graphics driver directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. After Windows finishes installing all updates, restart your computer, even if it doesn't ask you to. Restarting allows Windows to finish installing updates, configure new drivers, and apply performance and security improvements. Now let's move to the next step. Open Windows Settings, then go to System and click Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance when plugged in. If your device supports changing the battery power mode, you can also choose the Best Performance option while on battery power, keeping in mind that it may reduce battery life. Using Best Performance allows your processor to run at higher performance levels, making Windows feel faster, improving application responsiveness, reducing loading times, and providing better performance for gaming, video editing, programming, and other demanding tasks. Once you've changed the power mode, close the settings window. Now press the Windows key, type Task Manager, and open it. Go to the Startup Apps section. Here you'll see applications that automatically start every time Windows boots. Disable any startup apps you don't need. For example, software launchers, chat applications, update services, or programs you rarely use. The fewer applications that start automatically, the faster Windows will boot, the less memory will be used in the background, and the more system resources will be available for the applications you're actually using. Just be careful not to disable important drivers, Windows services, or security software. Next, open Windows settings again. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, then click Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure Real-Time Protection is turned on. Real-Time Protection continuously scans files, downloads, USB drives, and running applications to help detect viruses, ransomware, malware, and other security threats before they can damage your computer or steal your personal information. Keeping this feature enabled is one of the easiest ways to protect your Windows installation and your important files. Now right-click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Under Display Resolution, select the resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution. Windows usually marks it as recommended. Using the correct resolution gives you the sharpest image quality, clearer text, smoother graphics, and the best overall viewing experience. It also ensures games, videos, and applications display correctly without stretching or blurry images. And that's it. Those are some of the most important things you should do immediately after installing Windows 1125 H2. By completing these simple steps, your computer will be faster, more secure, more stable, and fully optimized for everyday use. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to All PC Geek, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Windows tutorials, Android development guides, AI tools, PC optimization tips, and troubleshooting videos. If you have any questions or need help with Windows 11, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer your questions and help you solve any problems. Thank you so much for watching and supporting All PC Geek. I truly appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. Stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.